Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a group or how to create a group in WhatsApp. So if you want to do that, first of all go to WhatsApp, then here you can see it's my WhatsApp interface. So I want to make a group, so that here you can see a plus icon. Click on this plus icon, and first one is new group. Click this option, and now you can see here is multiple of number. You can select some number to create a group. I want to select this 3 numbers, and then go to arrow button, and here is the group name option. Type any name that you want to make for a group. So I want to write how first, and click to check mark option. So that's it. You can make a WhatsApp group using this method. I think this is helpful. If you think this is helpful, then consider to like, comment, share and subscribe.